Hi there, Serial Trader here. So we had a subscriber request to do analysis on TVIX. So here I've just thrown up a wave labeling and just starting from the significant low we had there, which coincided fairly closely with the all-time high on the stock market. So here on TVIX, that low was on the 1st of October. Starting from that point, we had a nice little, and I'll just zoom in here a little closer. We had a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up for a larger degree wave 1 as it's currently labeled. We had a 3-wave decline, and keep in mind this will just roughly be an inverse image, to stocks, to the major indexes there. So a 3-wave decline for what I'm labeling as wave 2. And then after that, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for a wave 1 of a large degree wave 3. So we have this larger degree wave 3 that is being anticipated here currently. And then an ABC down. We're currently going pretty deep here for wave 2, but as long as we hold above the key level down here on TVIX, which will be, let's see here, 33.86, so just under 34 there. That's kind of that key support area. That's where that previous 3-wave decline terminated. So as long as we hold above here, as deep as we are going here on this pullback, we'll be expecting a higher low to form, our smaller degree wave 2 to complete, and then up in a third of possibly a larger third wave, and then we'll continue this uptrend that we started since the 1st of October. Now a few things to mention about TVIX. So it's a leveraged volatility product. So it's going to roughly look like the VIX, but with a little bit of distortion to reflect the leverage and also the decay of that leverage. It's going to be a bit more of a wasting instrument. But that being said, the pattern is still roughly the same as VIX, which in turn is actually roughly an inverse image, essentially, of what you see on the equity indexes, because they have an inverse correlation, a pretty close one at that. So overall, it looks like TVIX is setting up quite nicely here for a long entry, and that's obviously in anticipation of the market rolling over any time at this point. It just simply has to stop going up and find a top, though, and that hasn't happened yet. But we have a little bit of a reversal here today on TVIX, or a potential reversal anyways, and I'll get to the candlestick chart to look at that. So I think basically I've given the rough layout here as far as the Elliott wave anticipation. So just before I switch to the Thinkorswim platform, looking to find a low here soon, come up in a strong wave, completing overall impulse sequence for this larger wave 3, then continue on with the pattern, come down in a larger 4, go up in a larger 5, and so on and so on. But right here looks like an entry is shaping up for going long on this. Okay, now we'll go to the Thinkorswim candlestick chart, see if there's anything to look at here. So this looks very similar, again, like I said, to the VIX chart. We have the golden cross here on TVIX, so the 50 is getting above the 200-day moving average, so that's obviously a longer-term bullish signal, trending signal. We have come down here kind of right around in this 200-day moving average area. It's not a precise thing, especially on something like TVIX, being that there is that leverage distortion. But today we had a potential doji star reversal candlestick in kind of the oversold condition on TVIX. So obviously the first step would be starting to break this short-term downtrend, start making some higher highs and higher lows, which we haven't done yet. So that'd be something to look for. And obviously we want to hold, again, that key area kind of just below 34. Wouldn't want to see it really go below that. Okay, well, that's probably good for TVIX. Hopefully that was helpful. And certainly if there's any more subscriber requests, you can make this channel whatever you want to be, essentially. Just ask me about a chart or a ticker you're interested in, and more likely than not, I'll do some analysis on it and post it. All right, good for now. Serial Trader signing off.